Hi everyone, welcome to Work and Chef, the channel that is all about quick and delicious meals. Today we are making lasagna, the beautifully layered Italian dish which is perfect for Sunday lunches or a dinner meal. If you want to know how to prepare and bake this delicious meal, stay tuned to Work and Chef as we are going to demonstrate to you a quick method. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't as yet, so let's begin. We are going to start with browning our onions in a little bit of oil and whole cumin seeds. Your onions need to braise until golden brown. Mince, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of fine coriander, 1 teaspoon of fine cumin, 1.5 teaspoons of fine red chili. You can add a few cinnamon sticks, and you can then add 1.25 teaspoons of ginger, garlic and chili paste, which I normally buy, and then you can blend all of that together into the mince. Add it into your browned onions, stir well and coat all your mince with the onion. Add a little bit of water and let it steam for 20 to 25 minutes on medium heat. While the mince is cooking, you can add a green chili and finely chopped green peppers for some added flavor. Blend 2 tomatoes with a half liter of water and add into your mince and cook for 15 minutes. Once the mince is cooked, it will be thick and saucy. For the white sauce, we're going to melt 70 grams of butter, and then we're going to add 70 grams of flour. You're going to combine the two together until they are a thick mixture. Thereafter, add 1 liter of milk and continue to whisk and stir so it does not burn at the bottom of the pot. We're going to add 1 cup of grated cheese into the saucepan with the milk. Continue to stir. Add salt and pepper for some taste and wait for the sauce to thicken. Continue to stir until the sauce thickens and then leave aside. Grease your oven-proof dish with either spray and cook, or you can put some melted butter. Then add your bechamel sauce at the bottom, 1 full layer. Thereafter, you can now put the lasagna sheets all next to each other. Ensure there are no gaps. Once layered, you can now add your mince, spread nicely. So let's continue to layer lasagna sheets. Thereafter, generously spread your mince covered with white sauce. Again, repeat the same process. Make sure your lasagna sheets are always close to each other. Don't leave any gaps. Finish your top layer with the white sauce. Add some grated mozzarella cheese. You can garnish thereafter with some red tomatoes, chopped green peppers, or any other vegetable that you enjoy. You can also sprinkle a bit of salt and pepper for taste on the cheese. Cover with a foil and ready for baking.